Hey friends, Valerie here with a quick video to show you how to move leg 3 of the Great Lakes road trip to waste yarn. So I have my swatch here. This has the right side facing, so this would be my patterning. I've got the edge stitches that we've been working on, and then over here is just a raw edge and stockinette. And I have a tapestry needle threaded with waste yarn. And I am going to start from the right hand edge, and I'm going to run my needle through each of the stitches purlwise. Okay, so I'm going from right to left, and I'm dropping the stitches off the needle as I go. If you prefer, you can do all the running of the yarn and then leaving the stitches on the knitting needle, and then drop it from the knitting needle when you get to the end. Do that all at once. I am leaving one stitch on the knitting needle for now because I'm about to change direction. So all of these stitches I ran through purlwise, right to left. Now I'm going to do this last stitch as if to purl through the back loop. So instead of going into the stitch from right to left this way, I'm going to go around to the back, and I'm going to go in from left to right, and then I can drop that stitch off, and it just does a little trick of turning that stitch in a little bit, and it will help us turn this edge over when the time comes, and you'll find out more about that later. But for now, this is how you want to move things to waste yarn.